If you're thinking about using Ontraport for landing page creation, there are a few things you need to know before making your purchase. While Ontraport is a solid choice, it's crucial to understand both its strengths and its limitations compared to other options in the market. First off, Ontraport is known for its all-in-one marketing automation. It integrates email marketing, landing pages, and CRM features into one platform. However, many competitors, like ClickFunnels and Lead Pages, tend to specialize more narrowly, focusing specifically on landing page creation. If you're looking for a tool dedicated solely to landing pages, you might want to keep those options in mind. Next thing, Ontraport's drag and drop landing page builder is pretty user-friendly, but it might not be as intuitive as other platforms. If you're new to building landing pages, tools like Lead Pages offer a smoother learning curve with pre-designed templates. Ontraport's design flexibility is great for those who are more experienced, but could be a bit overwhelming if you're just starting out. The third thing you need to know is that Ontraport is a marketing automation powerhouse. Beyond landing pages, it allows you to set up complex automation workflows that can be triggered by user actions. This can be a huge advantage if you want more advanced marketing features, but if you're only focused on landing pages, this might feel like overkill compared to simpler tools. Next thing, pricing can be a bit of a concern. Ontraport's pricing structure is tiered based on the number of contacts you have. While it can be cost-effective for larger businesses, for smaller operations or those just starting, it might feel more expensive compared to competitors like Lead Pages or MailChimp, which offer more affordable plans for landing page creation alone. The fifth thing to consider is its customer support. Ontraport provides good support, but it's not the fastest compared to others like ClickFunnels, where you can get more immediate responses. Ontraport's support can sometimes feel slow if you're dealing with an urgent issue. Another thing is the template selection. While Ontraport offers a range of templates, it doesn't have as many pre-built options as other landing page builders, like Lead Pages or Unbounce. If you want to get started quickly without worrying about customization, you may want to consider a platform with a wider variety of ready-to-use templates. The seventh thing is the integration capabilities. Ontraport integrates well with major third-party tools, but it's worth noting that some competitors like HubSpot or ActiveCampaign provide more seamless integrations with a broader range of apps and services. If you're running a tech-heavy business with multiple tools, that might be something to keep in mind. Next thing, Ontraport does come with analytics tools that let you track how your landing pages are performing, but they're not as in-depth or advanced as those you might find on platforms like Unbounce. If detailed, actionable insights are important to you, you may find these features a bit lacking. The ninth thing is that Ontraport is heavily suited for larger businesses that need a lot of marketing automation. If you're running a small to medium-sized business, it might feel like a bit too much, especially when compared to simpler tools designed for more basic needs. Moving on to the 10th point, Ontraport does offer an email marketing suite that integrates perfectly with its landing pages. But if email marketing is your primary concern, you might get better value from dedicated platforms like MailChimp or ConvertKit, which focus more on email campaigns and less on all-in-one functionality. Another thing to keep in mind is the learning curve. While it's powerful, Ontraport can be a bit complicated for new users, especially if you're used to simpler platforms like Wix or WordPress, which have more straightforward landing page creation processes. Finally, Ontraport does allow for advanced customizability with its landing pages, which can be great for those who want to get creative. But if you're looking for something quick and easy without a lot of hassle, platforms like Instapage offer a faster, more streamlined approach. In conclusion, Ontraport is a solid choice, especially if you need an all-in-one marketing solution with robust automation features. However, if you're just looking for a landing page builder without the complexity, you might want to check out other solutions. Try our recommended tool for free to see if it's the right fit for you.